Hello everyone, this is Maurizio, editor of Power Electronics News and eWeb. Today I have the pleasure to have in this interview Max Fujita, head of European fuel cells at Panasonic. Hi Max, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, thank you. And you? Everything okay?
Yeah, everything is okay,
Yep.
everything is good. Thanks. So, today I would like to talk with you about a great topic, hydrogen. Hydrogen for the future, hydrogen for the future of energy.
Yep.
But before going into details, before starting, please introduce yourself, Max.
Okay. So my name is Max Fujita. I'm in charge for the fuel cell sales and marketing, and also in the head of the European fuel cell project.
Good,
Thank
thanks.
you.
Okay, one problem, as you know, to be solved for the future of humanity is related to energy, but not only energy, global warming, and the depletion of fossil fuels. Panasonic is deploying significant financial and technical resources to improve the hydrogen technology applied in several technology, in future technologies and vehicles, and in particular in our homes. Decarbonization is a global issue, and the philosophy of several companies, such as your company, is to contribute to environmental protection with clean energy sources. Hydrogen, as the topic of today, is one of the elements that will contribute to the zero emission target. Hydrogen produces energy through a chemical reaction involving oxygen, and the only byproduct of the process is water. Renewable hydrogen is clean and, as you know, highly efficient, and is an energy source with zero impact on the environment. So tell me, what is the current state? How is going your technology and the next roadmap of Panasonic about that?
Okay. Yes, for the net to contribute the protect from global warming, that is also one of the main topic for our company. What kind of the contribution, what we can do. That is the main topic. And in that case, so that Panasonic is developing for the stationary fuel cell, which we can save the CO2 from the for the residential houses since year 2000.
Yeah.
So that is some kind of our one of the our key action. And since 2009, Panasonic launched the stationary fuel cell for the residential market in Japan, and also for the Europe. We launched the products together with our European partner since 2014. And as of end of March, in Japan, in totally 360,000 of the houses are already equipped in the fuel cell. And but it means this product is using from the primary energy as a natural gas, and we system reform to the from natural gas to hydrogen. But it means already 360,000 of the houses are using hydrogen at the house. And among the 360,000, Panasonic portion is 200,000. So that, but for these products, uh, compare with replacement from an existing regular gas boiler to
Yeah.
this natural gas basis fuel cell, one unit we can save 1.4 tons of the CO2 per year. So that is some kind of quite big, but of course people cannot image what is from 1.4 ton of the CO2, but I think that you drive a car, and also I drive a car. And for example, if we drive the car 10,000 kilometers per year, that is some kind of CO2 emission is 1.4 ton. But if in order to save the global warming, I cannot stop the driving the car because I need a car for the business. But with using some current life with driving car, but if people could change from a regular gas boiler to fuel cell, it's they can save CO2 emission. That is some kind of current status. But we are not satisfied with just for the saving the 1.4 ton. It's but we are aiming for the zero emission. So that in order to realize zero emission technology, is our answer is switch to the pure hydrogen fuel cell cogeneration system. That is some zero emission technology. So I told you for the we have an experience for the 200,000 units installation. With this experience and technology, we transfer to the pure hydrogen fuel cell technology, so that already somehow for the majority of the quality and technology in our hand, so that we are now final tuning for the higher efficiency. That is some kind of our status.
Good, excellent. So, Max, the installation of hydrogen-powered fuel cells will enable the production of a clean energy source. A hydrogen fuel cell system in the home, as you know, as you mentioned, could help reduce the causes of global warming than using, as you know, conventional fossil fuels to generate electricity. Tell me, what are the next challenges that we need to face? What should we expect for the future?
Okay, so I think that every people, every country is working for the increase the portion of the renewable energy, like PV or wind turbine powered. That is some kind of a fantastic technology, but but for the as you know, for this renewable energy is some unstable, so that to recover for the some unstable part is hydrogen technology. So that actually for the which we are thinking for the in order to realize for the zero carbon emission society with hydrogen.
Yep.
So we have some kind of working together with society. So that, for example, if we look at our picture, so wind turbine or PV to make some hydrogen. But of course, at first, to making a hydrogen, this kind of the function is needed. And once we make a hydrogen, some transportation with some supply network, it means a more infrastructure portion is needed. And our Panasonic portion is just some kind of the end point. So that together with some infrastructure for the hydrogen, green hydrogen production and green hydrogen supply network is ready, then our fuel cell can use for this hydrogen to make us green energy. So that we would like to have some other more strong leadership from each country basis to establish for the whole supply chain.
Yeah, good. So I have just another one question for you, just the last one. What changes need to occur in the industry to make hydrogen more viable as a fuel? So this is not only the industry and several applications that you mentioned, but I can see also the automotive part. What do you think?
Yes. For the with, for example, automotive field, electric vehicle, that is some fantastic. Other than car itself, zero carbon emission. But of course, if we can cover 100% for green power, that is some fantastic technology. But if we switch to the everything to the electrified, not only for the automotive but also house, I think that is the renewable green power cannot supply at all. So it means for some power production part, still they have to use for fossil energy to balancing the demand.
Yeah.
So that of course for the electrified society is very nice, but Panasonic consider some kind of the balancing for the which we can cover for the electrified society that is covered with renewable energy. That's done. But also for the to balancing to the unbalanced part with using hydrogen. Also for the automotive field for fuel cell car and electric vehicle, that is some kind of we need some kind of balancing. If we make some totally for zero carbon emission society, that is we consider.
Excellent. Thanks a lot, Max. Thanks
Thank you.
for sharing this great information about hydrogen and your company. Thanks a lot. It's been
Thank
a
you.
pleasure to talk with you. Stay
Thank you very
tuned.
much, Marzio. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye.